Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited today because I'm going to tell you about a brand new motorcycle that just launched in India, the Honda NX200. Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India has brought some awesome bike for all of us who love adventure and daily riders. So for all the details, make sure to watch the full video. First, let's talk about the price and where you can get it. The Honda NX200 comes at rupees 1,68,499. That's the ex-showroom Delhi price. Not too bad, right? You can find it at HMSI Red Wing and Big Wing dealership across India. Bookings are already open and deliveries are starting this month, March 2025. Oh, and it comes in three colors: Athletic Blue Metallic, Radiant Red Metallic, and Pearl Ignition Black. I personally love the blue one because it looks so much pretty on the road. Now let's get into the design. Honda says it takes inspiration from their big adventure bikes like the NX500. It's got a muscular fuel tank, fresh graphics, and a tall commanding stance. The headlamp is all LED super bright and the winkers are sleek LED too. And the tail lamp, it's got X-shaped. To me, it feels rugged but modern. That is perfect for young riders like us who want something cool for the city and maybe for some weekend trips. But wait, some of you might say, hey, this looks like CB200X. And you are right, it's actually a rebranded version of the CB200X which was already in India. Honda gave it a new name NX200 because the NX name has more adventure vibes. They have kept the most style name but added some small changes. For me, it's like giving an old friend a fresh new look, still familiar but more exciting. Now let's talk about the power figures. The NX200 has a 184.4cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. It's OBD2B compliant, which makes it meets the latest rules and keeps the environment happy. This engine gives 12.5 kilowatt of power at 8,500 rpm and 15.7 Newton meter of torque at 6,000 rpm. That is paired with a 5-speed gearbox. It's smooth for city rides and strong enough for highways. It's air cooled, so it's built for efficiency too. With a 12-liter fuel tank, you can go long distances without stopping too much. I think it's perfect for daily use and for some fun outside ride. Next, the features. This is where the NX200 really shines. It's got a 4.2-inch full digital TFT display. It's got Bluetooth, and with Honda Road Synchronization app, you can see navigation, call and SMS alerts. There are also USB charging port, and for control it has selectable torque control or HSTC to keep the rear wheel steady on slippery roads, plus an assist and slipper clutch for easy gear shifts. Safety is big too. The NX200 comes with dual channel ABS, that's anti-lock brakes on both wheels. The suspension is telescopic forks in the front and a monoshock at the back. That is super balanced for bumpy roads or smooth highways. And the upright riding position with a comfortable seat, that is perfect for long rides without getting tired. So this is the video for now. What is your thought on this model? Please mention that on the comment box below. Until next time, be safe, ride safe.